How to change Apple ID profile picture on iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now, tap your current profile picture. You'll see several options, including Take Photo, Choose Photo, and Browse. If you want to take a new picture, tap Take Photo. Capture the photo, then adjust it and tap Use Photo. Or tap Choose Photo to select an image from your photos library. After selecting a picture, move and resize it until you're happy with how it looks. Then tap Choose or Done to save your changes. Your new profile picture will automatically sync across Apple services like iCloud, FaceTime, Messages, and other devices signed in with the same Apple ID. It might take a few minutes for the updated photo to appear everywhere. If the picture doesn't update right away, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Then try restarting your device or signing out and back into your Apple ID if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Apple ID profile picture on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.